Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dandelion and I'm so glad that you could join me today. So today's video I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I tie my headscarves. So as of late I've been tying my headscarves a lot to work. I mean I only work 3 times a week but because of the whole pandemic thing. But I just don't feel like wearing my wigs. I'm just too comfortable. So yeah, I've just been rocking my scarves a lot lately, and my coworkers and just random people have been asking me about my headscarves and how I do them. Even before, when I used to rock them every single day, people would ask me, literal strangers would ask me how I do my headscarves. So I mean, I even used to wear my scarves to the club. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys for watching. Firstly, you want to make sure that you're wearing like umshukulo underneath so that you can protect your edges, especially if you wear it like quite often. So you want to have something that will protect your edges, because the scarves that we wear are not like satin. They don't have a lining, so your hairline is literally rubbing against the cotton the whole day. So you just want to make sure that your hairline is um protected, and also oil your edges before, or your hair or whatever. You can even wear your bonnet underneath because you're not really gonna see it. So I'm just gonna start off with a basic like colored duck, and this one, most of my dukes I used to buy on the side of the road. Well, not the side of the road, but like from vendors in town. I used to buy my dukes there, or Ube used to bring me like the nice ones. This is a nice material too. So I'm just gonna tie up until like here, not halfway. And then you're gonna want to put that from the back, and then literally just go over like this. Then to get height, I like to take this and just twist it like so. And then it goes over here like this. And I always get questions like, do you have braids underneath? I don't have braids underneath. It's literally a duck. Then I'm gonna go in with another one. And this one I got from Cotton On, but just go over. So basically this is how you get height. Then you just wrap it around. It's really that simple. There's nothing difficult about it. That's why I said it's a quick little tutorial. You don't even need pins to do this. Okay, I mean, you could leave like this and then you just pull this in so you don't see the scarf. But I'm gonna go in once again, and I'm gonna use this material that I bought from the fabric shop. Actually, I'm lying. I bought this at a market in Joburg, this headscarf. But you can literally buy material from the fabric shop and make your own scarf. So again, with this, I'm gonna fold it over about this much and then go over from the back. If you feel like you're not gonna cover this well enough, then you can pull out more from the back, and then literally start off with one piece and push it over like so. Actually, I'm lying. And then you'll just see where you tuck it in. And then to make it have that nice shape, you're gonna have to tighten it a bit more when you're like wrapping it around. And then there you have it. That is literally it. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. This is literally how I tie my head scarves. I don't like that other method, but this is literally it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.